Let's explore the apparel cluster of the city that's offering unique and trendy clothes not just to Indians but also to global markets. Among its many business clusters, Mumbai is a hub for apparel companies. Companies that are driving the fashion trends of the country. In fact, the Indian apparel sector is among the most vibrant, dynamic and innovative sectors in the world, all thanks to its entrepreneurs.
We have tremendous strengths, and the main strength is our artistic abilities. What Indians can create, not many other countries in the world are able to create. The various processes, our skilled technicians and artisans. So whatever garments we are able to export are all value-added garments. There is something other than the fabric content, something which is embellished. And the other key strength is that we are able to do small orders, which means that even if you have a 300 or 500 piece order, an Indian exporter will execute, whereas in some of the other countries, they require a bigger order to execute.
One apparel company from Mumbai that's symbolizing all these qualities is Sam Inc. The company was established in 1992 by a young entrepreneur, Sanjay Mantri, who after finishing his fashion designing course, saw great potential in exporting garments across the world. And since then, there has been no looking back.
After completing my education in 1992 of CA, MBA, Law and Computers, and then I did my fashion designing, and at that time garment export was booming, and there was a lot of potential because India's market share was only 2.5%, and it could, with India's very growing textile industry, we could do much more than this.
The company manufactures a wide range of garments like scarves, stoles, shawls and even fashion accessories like bags, caps and belts. The products are highly appreciated for their exquisite designs, soft textures and shrink-resistant features. Today, Sam Inc. is one of the leading manufacturers of Mumbai's apparel industry. Its constant development of new designs and emphasis on quality of fabric have helped it achieve an annual growth rate of over 20%.
Sam INC we started in 1992. It was a small company, and we started manufacturing scarves, stoles, shawls like fashion accessories, and bags, caps, belt, and we added a lot of other products like made-ups, fabrics and ready-made garments for ladies and gents. And over the last 20 years we had almost 20% growth rate.
Built over the last 19 years, Sam Inc. is today one of the leading players in the ladies' fashion accessories and garment space. It has a huge client base in more than 75 countries across the world. The company's unique designs, excellent quality and durability of its products have made it a key supplier to Indian retailers as well as international brands like Walmart, Next, Playboy and Barbie.
Our major clients are from retail and fashion industry, and we are exporting to top-notch labels, wholesaler, importer and retailers in the whole of globe, such as Walmart, Next, Bay, Jewelers, Mojito, Playboy, Barbie, a lot of Elizabeth Arden, a lot of very big brands. And we have got also a lot of small customers, small retailers, which gives us good bottom line.
The company attributes its success to its people, who have remained loyal despite the turbulent nature of the business, like constant changes in fashion, currency fluctuations, and the ever-evolving global manufacturing standards. The organization also believes in fair and honest practices at all stages of production, thanks to which the company has been able to achieve success.
I would attribute the company's success to our people, who work very hard with a lot of commitment and loyalty since more than a decade, and also fair and honest practices across all functions is also very important. Managing the hurdles and difficulties which we encounter a lot in our ready-made garment industry efficiently and effectively helped a lot, so that's one of the key factors.
Sam Inc. has a team of expert designers who stay abreast with innovative new ideas, changing trends in global fashion markets and consumer demands. The company does not compromise with the quality of the garment at any stage. In fact, stringent quality checks are done to ensure that every minute detail fulfills international quality standards.
सैमिंग में हम लोग स्कार्फ, शॉल्स, लेडीज़ गारमेंट्स, बिकनीज, ट्यूनिक्स बनाते हैं. ये सब बनाते हुए हम लोग कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट, न्यू फैशन ट्रेंड और स्टिचिंग ये सब ध्यान रखते हैं.
With modern infrastructure and latest machinery, the company provides a wide range of stylish garments and has minimum turnaround time. Superior quality and timely delivery of its garments have made Sam Inc. achieve an ISO certification and satisfied clients across the globe.
Talking about milestone, we have recently crossed the mark of exporting to 75 countries in the world, and we are looking for further to add more and have a century. We have recently got a certification from ISO 9001-2008 certification.
Mumbai is often termed as the most fashionable metro city of the country. Every nook and corner of this fashion capital is dotted with designer stores and boutiques catering to its people's style needs. In a city where everyone loves to experiment with their looks, clothes and accessories, opportunities for small and medium enterprises of this sector are plenty.